So the first business I ever started was when I was 11 years old. Me and my buddy next door to me, his dad gave us a $100 loan. He wanted like a 10% return on his investment, so we had to pay him back $110. But we were able to go buy paint supplies, like spray paint and everything, and stencils. We then went around, knocked on doors, and were like, hey, we're trying to earn some money. Your house number's on the front of your house. It's looking kind of sad, but we can paint it for you, touch it up, it'll make it look real nice. And people are like, oh yeah, sure. And at first we started charging like $5, and then we got all the way up to like $30, and people were paying it, and it was great. And what was really cool was we did it on a Friday afternoon and a Saturday morning. We made in those like essentially 24 hours, the $110 to pay his dad back, and we each pocketed like $200. So as a 10, 11 year old, I'm like, this is great. We retired for the summer. And because we could buy all of the Mountain Dew and gummy bears that we wanted.